G'day, here's a little help with your battery maintenance. Maintaining a battery is quite important for the reliability of your vehicle. Servicing your vehicles, I quite often find this sort of problem, especially four-wheel drives when we have a lot of dirt, dust inside the engine bay. Grab a multimeter, give this battery a test. This is unloaded, so hook it up to the positive, this here to the negative. Good battery should be for 12.2, which we're showing here. Now let's test the venting fluid and the garbage on top of the battery. This is plastic. Test this point here, and it's given us 9 volts. Test another point on top of the battery next to this vent here. Now we've got it down to 8 volts. We test this battery on the floor. This is quite bad. Plastic is showing 11.6 volts at that point. We go back to where it's damp and wet, showing 12 volts. This is not uncommon. I come across this quite often with dirty batteries. So we'll give it a clean, a little bit of bicarb in just straight water. You see it bubbling, that's neutralising the electrolyte. Make sure you do the whole top of the battery. Good rinse off with hot water. That gets rid of all the grime off the top, neutralised electrolyte. And get some compressed air, give her a blow. Blow that dry right across the whole battery. And once we've got that dry, we'll give it another test. So grab the multimeter. What have we got here? 0 volts on the plastic. 0 volts on the plastic. Battery's clean. Hope this helps.